Today I'm going to be doing a unboxing for the July 2020 TacPack. Let's see what we got this month. Alright, well, off the bottom, before you even get to it, looks like we had a steel target, which I was hoping for. Until last month I'd like to be a little bigger, but hey, gotta be a better shot. There's our card. Let's see what we got here. Assuming it's a shirt. TacPack branded shirt. Got a Hummer with the cannon on top. Right, not bad. Let's see what else we got. Yeah, blue igloo. If they gave the igloo, they should have done it in a Hawaiian style shirt, I think. But I don't know what this is. It looks like a standard old face wrap. Man, that's a pretty awful color. Okay. Let's see. Oh, got a hand stop. Very cool. And an SOG key knife. A little tiny pen knife. Not bad. Alright, let's... Oh! Never mind. There's actually the... looks like the holder for the steel target. Alright, let's go over the card and see what we have. Let's see, the X Steel Target Hanger System. The Slate Industries Slate Stop. FDE Face Mask. I am sorry, that's not FDE. That's like mustard yellow. Solid Key Knife. TacPack Vice Tee. Igloo patch, the big igloo. That's an August packs for armorers. Awesome tools and accessories help with the upkeep. Awesome range essentials to be tossed in for good measures. Alright, so probably the most exciting thing I think of is actually the target. I'd go show you, but it's raining outside here at the moment, so I'm not going out to the range and getting rained on. So I appreciate everyone watching. Hope you have a good day. If you want, you can join us at Headspace at the Reloaders Network and the reloadersnetwork.com. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.